Gartenprofil 3000, a world novelty from Germany for your garden. With Gartenprofil 3000, you do not have to take thought for etching. You as a garden owner will be delighted. With Gartenprofil 3000, there finally is a lifetime etching system which is easy to install. Without digging and concreting, you can etch beds, paths and lawns. It's as simple as that. In no time you will have etched your garden clean and crisp for a lifetime. Before you start installing, you should shape the desired curves with the positioning bars. If the soil is tough, simply pre-cut with a shovel. If there are stones or rubble in the ground, pre-cut the height of the profile or remove stones and rubble. Now you can insert the profile into the soil. You should only insert the profile into the soil with a hammer or the edge knocker. It's as simple as that. A circular profile consists of two semicircular profiles that are connected with each other. You start with positioning the circular profile, measuring, and if necessary, align the profile and pre-cut and then insert the profile. If the soil is smooth, positioning, measuring, and insert the profile. It's as simple as that. Starting from a length of 1.5 meters, you can shape curved profiles yourself. With the positioning bars, you can align the profile, shape the profile, and finally insert the profile. It's as simple as that. In no time you have etched your garden. With Gartenprofil 3000, you have accentuated your garden. The rounded shape of the upper edge prevents injuries and damage to your lawnmower. It goes without saying that you should take notice of the maximum visible height of the profile of 1.5 till 2 centimeters as a maximum. When you are finished with the installation, you can enjoy your garden. Because Gartenprofil 3000 accentuates your garden for a lifetime.